Hello everyone, day 62 here, Industrial Fabrication Company, and it was a good day today. I think kind of across the board, with weather being great, and we made some good progress, had some good discussions as a team, made some steps forward, got some bids ready to go out the door. All across the board good. I guess maybe the only good thing would have been if we had more work to do in the shop to get out to customers, but we know that's coming. We got some good news on that from a customer today, so we're good. And while we got that time though, we're making use of it. One of the things from L&I we learned is we need to have they recommend we have a portable eye wash station. So this is still in progress. We're gonna get it painted and we're gonna get it on wheels. But this, anytime you're doing anything where you're dealing with the chemical that could get in your eyes, you wheel this around. The main thing for us for that is paint or cleaning material, like stripping ready for paint. So we'll have that ready to move around wherever we need it. It's great, the guys rigged that up quickly today. We also, when we were going through our 2-second lean stuff today, we were focused on, setting that example of how you do this throughout your company by having a very clean, very organized, very, standardized process for how you clean your bathroom every day. So it demonstrates the respect for people. It's something that everybody's doing every day, if not multiple times a day, and everybody knows how to interact with it. And we can use that as an example how we're going to set examples, set standards for everything else we do in the company. So we made some good progress on that. We got a plan ready and how we're going to do that. We're going to work on a weekly schedule. We're going to do it on Thursday morning, so we'll start with that next week. But we're going to have a rack in the bathrooms ready with all the supplies we need in order to clean it. We'll get a procedure set up for what we want to do for that. Is really excited about that. I think that'll be a good stepping stone for us. We also had someone come in from one of the suppliers we met at this trade show. They make a shop sweeper, and they brought one by and demonstrated it in our shop, and we made a mess for it. For whatever reason, I didn't take pictures of the mess and then it cleaned up after the mess, but we did get a picture of his, and I'll show it. It doesn't come through super well on the camera, but you can, on one photo, kind of see where it was and where it wasn't. And it's all this fine dust that kind of gets tracked in on the trucks and the forklifts that, we could never sweep up. You sweep it and it just goes in the air and then settles back down, or if you have a door open, it blows it open. But this thing just right up, super easy, super quiet, super fast. Did about a quarter of the shop in 5 minutes tops. And we've had times where 4 people working for an hour don't even get the whole shop done. So really excited about what that could do. We need to be cost conscious on that. So still figuring out when we'll get that and how we'll get it. But I think it will be a good tool for us to really help maintain a clean and organized work environment without taking time away from our customers and maximizing the amount of time that we can be doing value-added work. And yeah, in the office side, Michelle was doing some good work getting an office space set up for an employee starting next week. So excited about that. And starting to make things look a little better, clean things up, and get some stuff hauled out. Yeah, moving in the right direction, and ready for a good week next week. Signing off for now.